In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Hostinger coupon. If you're planning to launch a website or an online business, saving some money on hosting can make all the difference. So, let's dive right into the process and find out how you can secure a coupon to save on your hosting plan. First things first, open up your internet browser and head over to your preferred search engine. Once there, type in Hostinger coupon and hit search. You'll be presented with a plethora of options, but the key is to find a reputable source. Look for websites that are known for hosting reviews and deals, as they often have the most reliable coupons. It's important to ensure the website you choose is credible to avoid expired or invalid coupons. After clicking on a trustworthy link, you should see a list of available Hostinger coupons or discount codes. These deals can vary significantly, so take your time to review the options. Some might offer a percentage off your total purchase, while others could provide a specific amount off your hosting plan. Pay attention to the terms and conditions for each coupon, as these will outline any restrictions or minimum purchase requirements. This extra step will ensure you find the best deal to meet your needs. Once you've selected a coupon you'd like to use, copy the code. Typically, you'll find a button next to the coupon that says Copy or something similar. Now that you have your coupon code saved, it's time to head over to the Hostinger website. Navigate through the website and find the hosting plan that suits your requirements. Hostinger offers a range of plans, so whether you're setting up a personal blog or a business platform, there's something for everyone. After you've selected your plan, proceed to the checkout page. Here's where your saved coupon code comes into play. You should see a field labeled promo code or discount code. Simply paste your copied coupon code into that box and click Apply. You should notice the price adjust automatically, reflecting the discount. If the price doesn't change, double-check the spelling and ensure the coupon hasn't expired or doesn't meet the criteria set by Hostinger. Before you finalize your purchase, take a moment to review all the details of your plan. Check that you've selected the correct package and the discount has been applied correctly. It's easier to double-check now rather than resolve issues later. Once you're satisfied, proceed to make your purchase. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to effectively search for and apply a Hostinger coupon, saving valuable dollars to invest elsewhere in your online venture. Thank you for tuning in, and happy hosting!